Hi children, this is your Rakesh Kumar. In our last video we are discussing about multiplications. In this video we are continues that. Okay children? Right. All are observe here. This is the 5 table and this one is 6 table and this one is 7 table. We are doing multiplications with help of these tables. Okay beta? Right. For example, (626) into 6. First of all, you have to start the multiplication from the ones place only. In the additions and subtractions and multiplications, we have to start the problem with the ones place only. Okay? So, first you multiply 6 and 6. So, 6 6 ja. What is the 6 6 ja here? 5 6 is 30. Okay. 6 6 ja 36. In this 36, write the ones place digit here, 6 ones. And 30 ones means 3 tens. You give carry 3 to in tens place. Okay? So ones place, tens place, 100 place. In this 36, we are writing ones place digit here and tens place digit, giving as a carry to tens place. Next, 6 2s are 12, but we already have a carry 3. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15. So, our answer is 15. In this 15, I am writing 5 tens here and remaining 10 tens. 10 tens means 100, 100. So, remaining 1. 10 tens means 10 tens equal to 100. So, I am giving that 100 has a carry to hundreds place. Okay beta? Right. Next, 6 6 ja. What is 6 6 ja? Yes, we already done this. 6 6 ja, yes, 36 again. So, 36 plus 1, yes, the next number, 37. Our answer is 3756. Okay beta? First of all, I am multiplying 6 6 are 36, 6 here, 3 is even carry and 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15, 5 is here and 1 is carry and 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 1, yes, 37. Okay beta? Right. I will give some more examples. How to do multiplications with 2-digit numbers. (36 into 57). It's a very simple way. First you do this multiplication with ones place digit. Okay children, with the number 7. Then after same way you do with the tens place digit, the number 5. First you do it. 7 6 are 7 6 are. This is the 7 table. 7 6 are 42. So, in this 42, 2 is here and 4 is carry. 7 3s are 7 5 3s are 7 3s are 21. So, 21 plus 4 carry 22, 23, 24, 25. So, 25. So, this 7 we are completed and next you take 5. Okay? 5 6 are this time. 5 6 are. 5 6 are, yes, 30. 5 6 are 30. In this 30, you write those 0 under the 5. Why, sir? Why? Because 5 is in tens place. 5 is in tens place. So 7 is in ones place. So 5 is in tens place. 5 6 are 30. This 30 is 30 tens. 30 tens. 5 means 30 tens. So you write the 0 tens here and 30 remaining 30 tens as a carry to the next number. Understand, children? So the selected number is in tens place. So you have to write the answer also under the tens place. This is the tens place digit. That's why we are writing 0 under the tens place. Okay. Next, 5 3s are yes 15, and 15 plus our carry is here 3, 16, 17, 18. So write the 18 like this. Now we have to add the both answers. 2 plus nothing, 2, 5 plus 0, always 5. You add something to 0, you are getting the same thing. 2 plus 8 or 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, 2 fingers outside. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So we are taking 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So our answer is 2052. 2052. 2 plus nothing, 2, and 5 plus 0, 5, and 2 plus 8, 10. So we are taking 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, children? And I am giving another example. Okay, 472 into 65. First of all, we are multiplying with the number with ones place digit. Okay, total number 5 2s are 10. So you write the 0 here and 1 is giving as a carry. And 5 7s are yes 35, and 35 plus carry, 35 plus 1, next number 36. In this 36 we are writing 6 here and 3 is as a carry. Next, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23. You write the direct 23. Why? Because there is no number in next place. So you write directly 23. Then after you multiply the same number with the 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. You have to write this 2 under the tens place digit. Why? Because 6 is in tens place. 6 is in tens place. So that's why 6 2s are 12. I am writing 2 under the tens place digit and I am giving carry to the next number. 6 7s are 42. Just you observe here. 6 7s are 42 and 42 plus carry 1. 42 after 43. We got 43 and you write the 3 here and 4 is carry. 6 4s are 6 4s are 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4, 25, 26, 27, 28. You write 28 like this. Then after you have to add both the answers. 0 plus nothing, 0. 6 plus 2, 7, 8, 3 plus 3, 6, 8 plus 2, 9, 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3. So our answer is 30,680. Okay children, first you multiply the number with the ones place digit, then after you multiply the same number with the tens place digit, and after you add the both answers, you will get the final answer. Okay beta, right. Next I will give the last example to you. Now I am taking here 4 digits and here 2 digits. The same way, first you do the multiplication with the ones place digit. 7 4 ja, we already know 7 4 ja 28. Write the 8 here and 2 is carry. 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 2 16. You write the 6 here and 1 is carry. Next 7 6 ja 42, 42 plus 1 carry, yes, 43. You write the 3 here and 4 is carry. 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus carry 4, 29, 30, 31, 32. You write the number directly. Why? Because we don't have any number after the 4. Now you take the number 6, tens place digit. Same way, 6 4 ja 24. Now you write the 4 under the tens place digit, then after you give the carry. Next 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus this carry, 12 plus 2, 13, 14. So in this 14 I am writing 4 here, 1 is the carry. Okay children. Next 6 6 ja 36, 36 plus carry 1, 37. In this 37 I am writing 7 here and 3 is giving as a carry. Last 6 4 ja 24, 24 plus 3, 25, 26, 27. So I am writing 27 directly. Why? Because there is a no number after the 4. So the last we have to add these two answers. 8 plus nothing, 8 only. 6 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 1 is carry. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1 is carried. 2 plus 1, 3. So our answer is 3,09,808. Okay children. Okay, you also write the carries like this. You write the first of all first digit carries, and then you write the next digit carries above them. Okay beta, first you write the first digit carries and the next digit carries right above them. Okay beta, it is very helpful to you. Okay children, I hope you all are understand multiplications. We will meet in our next video. Bye children.